Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Bucks Coins and welcome to another coin review. This one's a £2 coin and it's in the blue change checker folder. Now there is a reason for this one. If we have a look over here, we have a date of 2022 at the top. And this is a Technologies. But it's a bit of a different one. I'm sure many of you who are coin collectors have probably already been told or been shown that this is a £2 and it's at the 25th anniversary one. And can you just see it there? It changes to 25 in the circle, in the middle hologram type part. This is dated 1997 on this side, and on this side it's dated 2022, so it's a dual dated coin. Anybody who's got this, there are also bunk packs. I believe Christopher has got 2 or 3 different bunk packs. The coin itself, and I think there's 3 different coins. A bit like they did one with the 20p where they had 4 different coins. There was the 3 faces, there were 3 coins, because there were 3 portraits of Her Majesty the Queen that appeared on the £2 coin while the Technologies were there. There was originally going to be 3 or 4 complete sets of re-released coins, very similar to what they did with the 50p coins in 2019, where they were going to reissue lots of coins that have either been in circulation or even a few that hadn't been in circulation. I believe one of them was a Frankenstein £2 coin which hadn't been in circulation. However, those sets don't seem to have come to fruition before the end of this year. Now, everybody's saying this, the 25th anniversary of the coin is this year. And 25 years, correct, in the sense that it is 25 years since the initial designs came out. But the first coin that went into circulation wasn't until June the following year. So the actual 25th anniversary of the release of the £2 coin into circulation is actually next June in 2023. Now I suppose in a way, if they are going to release those 2 or 3 sets, all of the 20 odd coins that were mentioned, then there's a possibility that they may issue at least one of the sets on the June date that the first £2 coin went into circulation, or the first bimetallic £2 coin went into circulation. So there's still time for these sets to come out. Whether they will or not, I don't know. Whether they've already been produced and they've got Queen Elizabeth II's portrait on, or whether they'll be reproduced with King Charles's portrait on, I don't know. I don't know if the sets are ever going to come out or whether they're going to be scrapped. I think it would be fantastic if they do come out. I would love to see some of the coins that I've enjoyed, even though they've not been released into circulation, actually in those sets, and people appreciating them again. However, what do you think? Do you think that these coins should now be released? If they are to be released, should they be released with the Queen's portrait on? Are they scrapping any that they may have produced, and I don't know whether they have produced them or not, and putting the waiting until next year, 2023, which will be, as I say, is the 25th anniversary of the first release of the coin, the bimetallic £2, with the King's portrait on? I just don't know. we've been waiting so long for these coins to come out, us collectors. I'm not sure whether they will even come out now. I sincerely hope they will, but you know, brace yourselves for the fact that they might not, and this may be the only celebration of 25 years of the £2 coin that there is. As I said, there is also a bunk pack type coins where there's actually three £2 Technologies coins with the 3 different portraits of the Queen on as a special edition pack. I'm not sure how many of those were actually produced. I've only ever seen pictures of them, so I don't know much more than that about them. However, if you've enjoyed this review, please give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything, and also if you haven't yet subscribed and you believe I deserve it, again, it won't cost you anything, and I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, militaria and collectibles. So until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, I wish you a very happy New Year, and that if you are going out partying, that you don't have too much of a headache tomorrow. You haven't had too much of a headache. So, from me, bye-bye. Ta-da now.